wasn't dry, so I just put it in these 2 ponytails, hopefully open up the twist so they can dry faster. But my grandma and my mom are still sleeping, so I decided to surprise them with breakfast. I will say breakfast is like one of my favorite, not my favorite meals to cook, but it's just, I would prefer to cook breakfast than dinner, because dinner is just like a lot of work. So let me clean up the space a bit and I'll take you through what I'm gonna make for breakfast. Shout out to my bestie, Danish, Dan the man, for my t-shirt. It's Jasmine on it, get it? Disney princess? Okay. We're staying at an Airbnb, so we have bacon and eggs. However, I can't decide if I want to make them scrambled or I want to fry them. I kind of want to fry them. I guess I'll fry them. I do usually like to have breakfast with like a side of fruit. We do have some a grapefruit and we have some watermelon, but maybe we'll just stick to the bacon and eggs and toast or biscuits, but we don't have any bread here, which is fine, so we'll stick to this. A technique that you guys can use is preheat or heat your oven to 400 degrees and lay these on a baking sheet and cook it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. However, we don't have like a baking sheet. Like we have one here, but it's like glass. And I don't think that's gonna give me the same effect as I would want. So I'm just gonna fry the egg and then we'll serve them up. I'm gonna wake them up in about like 10 or so minutes so they can start getting ready. And that's it. Turns out I needed a little bit more bacon. is some potatoes in there. I could do like some breakfast potatoes, but I think we're gonna save those for dinner for when we have our chicken. Every time I cook, I forget to like not cook on like always high or medium high because like the smoke and stuff. Slow and steady wins the race, Jasmine. Slow and steady wins the race. You're a cricket. So sometimes like all this like smoke is around. This is just normal. I'm just being cute. So I decided to scramble the eggs, scramble more of course, because in that particular pan that we have, like it's not good to fry an egg in. You know how sometimes you have to have like that non-stick type of pan? Sis, that ain't it. Pepper, my salt, some eggs. I usually keep it simple. I usually like to also add like tomatoes, spinach, onions, and stuff like that to my eggs. But this is not my kitchen. I don't have all my ingredients. I'll make tea for that. Beat it up, beat it up, beat it up, beat it up, beat it up. Yes. I put this on so I don't get popped by the baking grease. I love when bacon has like this beautiful color in there. See, I'm eating all this bacon. I haven't had bacon in like 4 months, it seems. Yeah. Since March. I normally don't eat like a lot of pork. I'll be right back. Let me go look them up. They're still not up. It's like I'm the mom. Like, get up. It's time for school, kids. Traditionally, I would like to soak this on like a paper towel to soak up some of the grease, but yeah. We'll be alright. A little grease never hurt nobody. Yeah, well, we should have left at like 8 or 9.
We gotta leave before 2. We gotta move that car.
We just have to move the car, yeah, of course. Yeah.
And I got an app on my phone Jabari gave me.
Or what?
It finds parking spaces.
Where?
The app found a parking space right across the street, 180 feet away.
Oh, really?
$16.
Wow. That app is very helpful. What is it called?
Hold on. I was on my phone.
Wow. You should have gave me that. You've already knowing. You're supposed to be smart. I raised him well. The reason I'm doing this too, so I don't get popped. Like I hate getting popped by a bee. I don't know if you guys are familiar with this, but if you have like an older like lady in your family, older grandmother, it's like they are susceptible to getting popped by grease. Like it doesn't bother them. Like hot water, grease, like they just be fine to bacon. Like my grandmother's hands be like on the hot. Spot hero. Why did I think of that? I could have.
You thought I was going right, but it's going right
Guys, technology is the future. Pretty app. Pretty useful app. Alright guys, I will come back to you when the food is finito. Yes, finito, finished, done, ready to eat, chomp on that. You know what I'm saying. Are you okay? Oh my goodness. You need to sit down for a second?
Oh Lord, I'm looking at my coffee. Can you check my coffee there for a
That's
second?
like a teacher, didn't you?
I'm waiting for the leaves to
That's
stop.
like a teacher. Are you okay?
Oh Lord,
figure that
oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord. Chicken ain't not for the bird. Chicken ain't not for the bird. Chicken ain't not for the bird.
Alright guys, breakfast is served. This one's mine. I only have a little bit of bacon, but we have bacon, scrambled eggs, and grapefruit. How cute, right? Let's eat this, and then we gotta pack, and then we're gonna leave. Bye!
Thank you, Jazz. I told your mother when I went to the grocery store, got that, I bought that crab meat. I said, I got to have me some bacon. I bought enough for us. Bought enough to take home. Bacon. That's egg is good.
You need to add more salt or anything? You can. I haven't had grapefruit in years. I haven't had grapefruit in years.
Yeah, it is delicious. I don't know why. It makes me nauseous. And I need it because I have gas.